him, Zaven. Pet him. Oh, out of there. Give him a little pet, Zaven.
Nope, don't pull.
Be real nice. Be real nice.
Pet him. Pet him.
Be real nice. Look, Zaven, look. Aww. Aww. Oh, don't be scared. You want to come over here and look at a different one? Oh, look over here, Zaven. He waits till he turns his head. He said, ah! Look out. Here we come. See, here we come.
He wants in there, though.
No, you're not getting in there. Bobby, we're definitely recording right now. That's not. That's a rock. Is that a rock? Look at these ones. Look at Fluffy. Is it stopped or is it going? No, it's still going. Oh, Zaven, look, here they come. Oh, he said, I'm out of here.
She said she'd come barreling out of here.
She's hungry.
I knew you was wanting something.
Oh, I'm missing the good stuff over here. Keep getting by these posts. Oh! Gosh, you scared me. Shay. No, let's take that one. Let's take him to a different one. Did he pinch you?
He grabbed the spine.
Oh, Zaven. I didn't know
He turned
that.
around and tried to knock him out.
Don't let them pet him while they're feeding. Or they're eating. I don't think it's a good idea. Let's let them come over to the stuffed ones. Zaven. Still recording. Should I stop it?